Ready to have some fun in the kitchen with your little ones? Making homemade trail mix is a fantastic way to bond and teach kids about healthy eating. Here's a simple, customizable recipe that's perfect for kids of all ages. To get started, you'll need 1 cup of mixed nuts, like almonds, cashews, and peanuts, 1 cup of dried fruit, such as raisins, cranberries, or apricots, 1 cup of whole grain cereal, 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Begin by washing your hands and setting up a clean workspace. Measure out each ingredient, giving your child the opportunity to practice their counting and measuring skills. Pour all ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Encourage your kids to mix everything together using their hands or a large spoon. This is where the fun really begins. Once everything is well combined, portion the trail mix into small, airtight containers or snack-sized bags for easy grab-and-go snacks. Not only is this trail mix delicious, but it's also packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Plus, it's free from any artificial ingredients. This simple activity is perfect for teaching children about the importance of balanced, nutritious snacks while having a blast in the kitchen. Enjoy your homemade trail mix.